Hello viewers, Apple has posted a new update that is iPadOS 26.2 stable version. In this update, actually it will enhance the new windowing system introduced in iPadOS 26 with familiar drag and drop gestures for tilling app windows and creating a slide over window. It also includes enhancements to Apple Music, podcast and games, as well as other features, bug fixes and security updates for your iPad. Currently my iPad 10th generation is running on iPadOS 26.1 stable version and I am getting excellent battery life and the performance is top notch. Yet many people actually want to know about this update, so I will update my iPad 10th generation to the latest version of iPadOS 26.2. At the time of updating to the latest version, you can see that iPadOS is 18.63 GB and system data is 15.88 GB. So finally I have updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest version of iPadOS 26.2. You can see that there is no lag or stutter after this update. App opening and closing is as fast as it was before. Many people were actually facing battery drainage issue in the last update, but it is not possible for me right now to tell you about the battery life, but I will let you know in the review video about the battery life. You can see that there is no screen flickering issue after this update. Multimedia consumption is as smooth as it was before. It can play 4K 60 FPS videos. After that, I tested my Kingone pencil, that is third-party eye pencil. It is also working perfectly fine with this update, so there is no issue with the pencil or writing experience. With the use of Note app, you can write anything. Also, Scribble feature is there, as you can see here. Whatever you like, it will automatically translate or transform into English text. However, if you don't want to use this feature, you have to select another pencil style, not Scribble feature. You have to select like this and then you can write whatever you want to write and it will not transform into English text. Though I have updated to the latest version, it is not possible for me right now to tell you what are the bugs that exist in this update. If you want to know about that, you have to wait for the final or review of this iPadOS 26.2.